That's chocolate cake, that's vanilla cake. That's only 1 ringgit.
Teacher will give you a shopping list for you to shop your groceries.
Pear. Okay, I found the pear. Sushi?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Sushi, I know where. Right here. Here. I love the sushi dish. ICECREAM. Ice cream. I found it. Nanti jatuh. Going to masak burger. Get the bun and then the bottom bun, pickles, then bun, and then I make a cheeseburger. Yum. Carrot. Grandma is. You want this or this?
The blue color.
Yeah. WATERLILY. Water lily. Tomato. Ice cream, cucumber, lemon, water lily, and mango. Orange. And some orange here.
Put in the oven.
Only cakes. That's chocolate cake, that's vanilla cake, and that's rainbow cake, and the other cake is orange cake, and the another one is kiwi cake, and another one is strawberry. That's only 1 ringgit.